Coffee in hand, you walk outside to your backyard deck ready to enjoy a quiet morning. But there's your neighbor, waving from their kitchen window just 15 feet away. Sound familiar? Your peaceful moment just turned into an awkward social situation you didn't sign up for. I'm Sam from Seniors Gardening Advice, where we make gardening simple and enjoyable for everyone. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal 5 incredible trees that can turn your exposed backyard into a private retreat. Tree number 3 grows so incredibly fast, you'll question if it's actually real. But first, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Trust me, you'll want weekly tips like these delivered straight to you.
Creating backyard privacy doesn't require expensive fencing or complicated construction projects. Nature provides us with living solutions that not only block unwanted views, but also add beauty, increase property value, and create peaceful outdoor sanctuaries. Throughout this guide, we'll explore 5 outstanding privacy trees. You'll discover their growth rates, maintenance requirements, and ideal growing conditions. Each tree offers unique advantages, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one suits your specific needs. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're finding this helpful. It really helps our Seniors Gardening Advice channel reach more gardening enthusiasts like yourself. And I want to hear from you. Drop a comment about your biggest backyard privacy challenge. I read every single comment.
Tree number 1, Emerald Green Arborvitae. Let's begin with the champion of suburban privacy, the Emerald Green Arborvitae. Drive through any established neighborhood and you'll spot these tall, elegant green walls protecting countless backyards. Why do homeowners consistently choose arborvitae? These evergreen beauties maintain their rich green color through every season. Unlike deciduous trees that lose leaves in fall, arborvitae provides year-round coverage. Their naturally narrow, upright growth pattern makes them perfect for properties with limited space. Think of arborvitae as nature's privacy fence. Instead of installing harsh wooden barriers that create shadows and block natural light, these living walls offer soft, welcoming greenery that enhances rather than dominates your landscape. Climate-wise, arborvitae thrives across most United States growing zones. From chilly northern regions to moderate southern areas, these adaptable trees handle various weather conditions. They prefer well-draining soil and perform best in full sun to partial shade locations. Here's what I love about arborvitae maintenance. They're remarkably low fuss. Young trees need regular watering during their first growing season. Once established, they become quite drought-tolerant. Occasional light pruning keeps them shaped, but they naturally grow into dense, attractive screens without much intervention. Bonus benefit: arborvitae serves as excellent windbreaks. Those harsh winter winds that make your patio unusable? These trees create a protective barrier, making your outdoor space more comfortable and potentially reducing heating costs. Tree number 2, Hybrid Willow. Now let's discuss the speed champion, Hybrid Willow trees. While arborvitae offers steady, reliable growth, hybrid willows are the marathon runners of the tree world. These remarkable trees can shoot up 6 to 10 feet annually under optimal conditions. Within 3 to 4 years, you'll have towering privacy screens that completely transform your outdoor space. That's faster than most shrubs grow. Hybrid willows excel in multiple climates and soil types. They're particularly happy in areas with adequate moisture, but adapt well to various conditions. Their broad leaves create dense coverage, providing both privacy and cooling shade. Here's the maintenance reality. Hybrid willows need more attention than some alternatives. They appreciate consistent watering, especially during dry spells. Annual pruning helps maintain their shape and prevents them from becoming too wild or overwhelming your space. The trade-off for rapid growth is lifespan. These trees typically live 15 to 25 years, shorter than some alternatives, but long enough to establish mature landscapes while other slower-growing options catch up. Strategic placement near your home can dramatically reduce summer cooling costs. Their broad canopy provides substantial shade, naturally lowering temperatures around your house.
Tree number 3, Clumping Bamboo. Our third option isn't technically a tree, it's clumping bamboo. Before you panic about invasive bamboo nightmares, let me clarify. We're discussing well-behaved clumping varieties, not the aggressive running types that invade entire neighborhoods. Clumping bamboo grows in controlled, tight clusters. It stays exactly where you plant it, growing upward and slightly outward without spreading uncontrollably. This creates stunning privacy screens with an exotic tropical appearance. Growth speed is impressive. You'll see significant height increases each growing season. Within 2 to 3 years, mature clumps create effective privacy barriers that look like professional landscape installations. What makes bamboo special is the sensory experience it creates. Gentle breezes create soft rustling sounds that instantly make your backyard feel like a peaceful retreat. It's privacy with ambiance. Bamboo prefers warmer climates, but many varieties tolerate cooler zones too. It loves full sun, but accepts partial shade. Well-draining soil and regular watering during establishment keep it happy. Maintenance is surprisingly simple. Unlike running bamboo that requires constant control, clumping varieties stay put. Occasional thinning of old canes keeps them looking fresh, but they're generally very low maintenance. Design-wise, bamboo makes a bold statement. It pairs beautifully with modern outdoor furniture, stone pathways, and water features, creating resort-style backyards that feel like vacation destinations.
Tree number 4, Leyland Cypress. Leyland Cypress deserves recognition as the ultimate fast-growing evergreen privacy tree. These giants can gain 3 to 4 feet annually, creating impressive living walls in remarkably short time frames. Their evergreen nature provides year-round privacy, just like arborvitae, but with more dramatic scale. Mature Leyland Cypress can reach 50 to 70 feet tall, creating privacy screens that block even second-story windows. The key with Leyland Cypress is planning for their mature size. These aren't small trees. They grow wide as well as tall. Proper spacing is crucial. Plant them 6 to 10 feet apart to prevent overcrowding and competition for resources. Once established, they're relatively low maintenance. First-year watering is important, but mature trees handle drought conditions better than expected. Annual pruning isn't necessary, but helps maintain neat, manicured appearances if desired. Property value impact is significant. Mature Leyland Cypress screens are landscape features that potential homebuyers notice and appreciate. They instantly make properties feel more luxurious and private.
Tree number 5, American Holly Trees. Our final selection combines privacy with seasonal beauty, American Holly Trees. Most people associate holly with holiday decorations, but these evergreen trees create excellent year-round privacy screens. Holly's dense foliage grows thick and full, forming solid barriers that are difficult to see through. Even during winter, when many plants look bare and lifeless, holly maintains its rich green color and full coverage. The bonus feature is those famous bright red berries. They appear in fall and persist through winter, creating natural holiday decorations right in your backyard. These berries also attract songbirds, bringing delightful wildlife activity to your outdoor space. Climate adaptability is excellent. Holly thrives across a wide range of growing zones and tolerates various soil types. It performs well in full sun or partial shade locations, making it suitable for many different yard layouts. Maintenance requirements are minimal once established. Occasional pruning to shape and control size is helpful, but holly naturally grows into attractive forms without much intervention. The decorative aspect sets holly apart from purely functional privacy trees. Your privacy screen doubles as seasonal decoration, providing festive beauty during winter months when most landscapes look dormant.
Comparison and Selection Guide. Let's compare these 5 options to help you choose the perfect privacy tree for your situation. For reliability and versatility, choose Arborvitae. It's the Swiss Army knife of privacy trees, works almost everywhere, looks good year-round, and requires minimal care. For rapid results, Hybrid Willow delivers the fastest privacy coverage. If you need screening quickly and don't mind regular maintenance, this is your tree. For unique style, Clumping bamboo creates exotic tropical atmospheres that stand out from typical suburban landscapes. For maximum height, Leyland Cypress provides the tallest screens, perfect for blocking multi-story neighbors or creating dramatic privacy walls. For year-round beauty, American holly combines privacy with seasonal decoration, offering functional screening plus natural holiday charm. Planting tips and advanced strategies. Successful privacy screens require more than just choosing the right trees. Here are essential planting and design tips. Spacing considerations. Give trees adequate room to mature without competing. Crowded plantings create weak, spindly growth and increase disease problems. Timing matters. Plant in fall or early spring when temperatures are moderate. This allows root establishment before summer heat stress or winter cold damage. Layered plantings. Don't limit yourself to single species. Combine different trees for varied heights, textures, and seasonal interest. For example, plant tall Leyland Cypress as background screening with holly in front for mid-level coverage and colorful berries. Companion plants. Add shrubs, perennials, or climbing vines to fill gaps and create more natural-looking screens. This also provides habitat for beneficial wildlife. Site preparation. Improve soil drainage and fertility before planting. Most privacy trees perform better in well-prepared planting sites.
Advanced design ideas. Create truly exceptional privacy screens by thinking beyond basic tree rows. Curved plantings. Instead of straight lines, plant trees in gentle curves. This creates more natural appearances and can make spaces feel larger. Mixed heights. Vary tree heights and spacing to create layered, forest-like effects rather than uniform walls. Seasonal interest. Include trees with different seasonal features: spring flowers, fall color, interesting bark, or winter berries. Wildlife considerations. Choose trees that provide food and shelter for birds and beneficial insects. Holly berries, for example, feed winter songbirds.
Maintenance and long-term care. Successful privacy screens require ongoing attention. Watering. Deep, infrequent watering encourages strong root systems. Shallow, frequent watering creates weak surface roots. Mulching. Apply organic mulch around trees to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and gradually improve soil quality. Pruning. Learn proper pruning techniques for each tree type. Incorrect pruning can damage plants and reduce privacy effectiveness. Pest monitoring. Watch for common problems like scale insects on holly or bagworms on evergreens. Early detection prevents serious damage. Fertilization. Most established trees need minimal fertilizer, but young trees benefit from balanced, slow-release fertilizers during their first few years.
We've covered 5 outstanding privacy trees, each offering unique advantages for different situations and preferences. Whether you choose reliable arborvitae, fast-growing hybrid willow, exotic clumping bamboo, towering Leyland cypress, or decorative American holly, you're investing in both privacy and property value. My personal recommendation? For most homeowners, Arborvitae provides the best combination of reliability, appearance, and low maintenance. But your perfect choice depends on your specific climate, space, and style preferences. Which privacy tree caught your attention? Drop a comment below and let me know your choice and why. I love hearing about your gardening plans and challenges. If this guide helped you understand privacy tree options, please hit that like button and share it with friends who might benefit. Subscribe to Seniors Gardening Advice for weekly tips on creating beautiful, functional landscapes. Ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. For more information about companion plants that work perfectly with these privacy trees, check out our video about fast-growing shrubs. Click the link in the description to continue building your perfect private backyard retreat. Remember, creating privacy doesn't happen overnight, but with the right trees and proper planning, you'll soon have the peaceful outdoor sanctuary you've always wanted. Thanks for watching Seniors Gardening Advice, and I'll see you in the next video.